Hello everyone, my name is David Tucker and welcome to the course Creating and Using TypeScript Decorators. Now, I am a cloud consultant and I help organizations plan, build, and implement custom software in the cloud. And I have over 15 years of experience in software architecture and development. When creating TypeScript projects, there are times when repeated functionality cannot be solved by inheritance. And in this course, Creating and Using TypeScript Decorators, you will learn what decorators are and how to leverage them to solve cross-cutting concerns in your TypeScript projects. First, you will learn how to implement basic decorators on functions, properties, parameters, and classes. And next, you will use single decorators to centralize logic within your application. Finally, you will combine multiple decorators to create an entity framework that allows you to share logic for a REST-based API. And this solves many challenges that I see in real projects on a daily basis. When you're finished with this course, you will have the skills and knowledge of TypeScript decorators needed to leverage aspect-oriented programming within your project.